Hi, my name is Chad, and this
I'm
is Stamie, and we are with the Spa Boutique of Trinity. And this weekend has been amazing. We've really learned a lot of information about spa. We've been open for about 2 years, and so this information has just really helped tie up a lot of loose ends. You know, there's a lot of questions that come up, and I feel like Dori is the scientist. So much like John Taffer is with Bar Rescue, Dori is Spa Rescue, and she has the science behind this. And so when you really want to know the science and the calculations and really how
techniques and everything.
Yes, how to really zero in your business, this is a place to be.
Absolutely.
Thank you.